Hi, 8th grade. Today we're going to review comparing rates or comparing slope. So this problem asks you to order the following linear functions from the least steep to the steepest. When we're talking about steepness, what are we talking about? This is our slope. So I want to order the following functions by their slope, which is our m. So the first thing we need to do is find our slope for line A. I'm given 2 points, so I can find my slope by subtracting. So I need to find my m. I'll do 5 minus 3, because those are my y values. I have my 5 and my 3. And then what will I write on the bottom? -1 minus 0, making sure that you're starting with the two numbers from the same point. So my 5 and my -1 both came from the same point. 5 minus 3 equals 2. -1 minus 0, subtracting 0 just leaves it as -1. Lastly, 2 divided by -1 is -2. So my slope for line A is -2. Looking at line B, how can I find my slope? The equation of a line is y equals mx plus b, and this is already written in the equation of a line, so I'll just circle my m for line B equals 1/2. Looking at line C, if I'm trying to find my slope from a table, what can I do? I can pull out 2 points. So my first point, I'll do -2, 3. Is there a better point to choose than -2, 3? Yeah, it's actually a lot easier to choose the positive numbers. So let's do 0, 7, and 1, 9. And now I want to find my slope from these 2 points. What are my y values? My y values are my 7 and my 9. Remember, we subtract our y values over x values, so we'll do 9 minus 7. I started from this point, so I need to start with that point on the bottom as well. 1 minus 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So my slope for line C equals 2. Looking at line D, how do I find my slope? My slope is my rise over my run. So I can just start at one of these points and my rise will be -1. And then my run is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's -1/4. The problem is asking us to go from least steep to the steepest, which I'm just going to interpret as going from smallest to largest. So what is the smallest slope? Well, we have two negative slopes. We have our -1/2 and our -2. Which one of these is smaller? A, -2. So that's our first one, our smallest one. Then we'll have our other negative number as the second one. Then we have +1/2 and +2. Which one's smaller? 1/2. So this will be third, and this one will be 4. So it goes A, D, B, and then C. Go ahead, try the rest of the worksheet independently.